Doing a cabin filter on a 2019 Toyota Highlander. First thing we're going to do is disconnect the damper, then push the glove box in like this, over here like this, and then we can lower the glove box. We can take it off too if you want. It just comes off like that. Take this we got here. Alright, so this belongs. Actually broke off here on this one, but yeah, you're actually supposed to pull this door down out of the way. Somebody's broke it off. Take this, push this clip inwards, this one. Alright. Pull the filter out. Was actually installed incorrectly. The airflow is actually down on your aftermarket filters. Okay. This one's all kinds of broke. This clip's broke on this side too. Back on here. A little plastic piece fell down there. It's fine. Right there. Put this back on the hinge. Like that. Close it. And get a couple hits, and you're all done.